Well, welcome back everybody. I figured today I'd make a new video here on the bumper. I haven't seen very many of these installs done, so I figured I would just kind of walk through it there and show the differences. If you happen to like this video at the end there, go ahead, check the like button there and go ahead and subscribe if you can. So basically we'll get underway here. As you can see, this is the stock bumper that comes standard on all Skidoo sleds there. This is Backcountry XRS there. As you can see, this is the new heavy duty bumper. This is also the tow hitch version. So this should strengthen up the back end quite a bit. You can feel it is quite beefy in comparison to the stock bumper. It comes with all new hardware as well. And it does have a couple of holes here which have to go down, and they are also the holes that any accessories on the back connect into for like your towing and that. So basically what you need for this is a Torx 27. There's a bunch of bolts to remove from the stock one. Once you take all those out, there's all new hardware that's provided as part of the package. So basically you just have to put it in and basically get rid of the old one. So I'm going to go and remove all the bolts here, and then I'll be back in a couple minutes there once I get the old one off here. So I guess I'll point out one more thing here before I get it off. So as you can see right now, here's the factory one. So as you can see, it bends up so the light's underneath, whereas the other one is going to be down here. So you're getting about another 2 or 3 inches lower for lifting it up, which might make it actually a little bit easier for some people. That's part of the reason why I was looking at it as well, because I figured like to lift up it might make it a little bit easier being a little bit lower there. So I just figured I'd point that out in case anybody was wondering there. So basically, as I was saying, there is quite a bit of a weight difference between the two. When you pick this one up, it's fairly light, the stock one. This one's probably several pounds more, but you can definitely feel a difference. And so this is all the new hardware as well that's coming with it there. So basically new Loctite on there. So basically I'll get that installed and I'll show you when I get it on there. Thanks. Okay, so I got the bumper on now. So this is the heavy duty bumper on there. The only thing I haven't done yet is torque it yet, but for that you got to torque it down to 111 inch pounds, not foot pounds, inch pounds. So I'm going to do that in a moment, but don't really need to watch me do that anyways. But it does definitely feel more solid when you're trying to, when you try to stand behind it and lift. You can definitely feel there's more to grab. It feels lower than that, so you can actually, hold it lower so you can get more height on it. So it definitely does feel like a better fit with the bumper. And as you can see too, the light is now above. So it actually has probably a better sight line than with the stock bumper. It does come with the stickers and that as well, because as you can see, it cuts off some of the sticker that's there. So you're supposed to put these on somewhere around here. And then that, helps for people to see from the back there. So I'll stick those on shortly there. But overall, it was pretty simple install. Looks like it's going to be fairly decent there. So hopefully it works well. It's not like I'm a person doing wheelies and everything like that. But the whole point of it is that it should also strengthen up the back end. So when I've got stuff on there like a gas tank or bags or stuff like that, that definitely should be more solid. And if I ever do put a seat up there, the 2-up seat, that also does kind of help out with that, but it strengthens the whole back end essentially. So we'll see how that goes, and hopefully I'm happy with this. thanks for watching, and if you liked it, click subscribe and leave a thumbs up there if you can. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.